Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're connected, now get into the router. Use the My Jio app or open a browser and type the router IP printed on the device. Log in with the admin name and password from the sticker or your saved credentials. Once you're authenticated, navigate immediately to the Wi-Fi or wireless settings section. That's where SSID and password live. Make sure you're on the 5 GHz or 4 GHz band you intend to change, because each band can have its own password. You're in the wireless settings, choose the SSID for the band you want to modify. Locate the password or PSK field, clear the old text, and type a strong new passphrase. Aim for 12 or more characters mixing letters, numbers, and a symbol for resilience. Once done, press Save or Apply and wait while the router commits the change. Make sure to update every device. They'll drop from Wi-Fi and need the new password to reconnect. If possible, change the guest network password too. Final steps: reconnect one device using the new password to confirm internet access, then update other devices. If you can't log back into the admin panel because credentials changed, perform a factory reset using the physical reset button and reconfigure using the default admin info on the sticker. Note this erases custom settings. If settings fail to apply, reboot the router and try again. Always store the admin and Wi-Fi passwords in a secure password manager so you don't get locked out next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.